lifeguard goes. Welcome everybody from Iceland. I'm here today to visit Glacier Lake, and let's go. What I see, maybe I can show you guys too. Thank you.
Papa, what are you doing?
I'm just buying a ticket to
Nice.
Glacier Lagoon. I just bought the tickets to go out there with amphibian vehicle. সবাইকে লাইফ জ্যাকেট দেওয়া হবে বোঝা যাচ্ছে।
Okay, so welcome to the Glacier Lagoon. My name is Paula. I will be today your guide. Here is our Captain Maggie, and now some safety rules at the beginning. The first one: please do not stand on the benches, especially today when it's wet. For now, take your seats. Later, I'm gonna let you know when you can stand up. And of course, if you have any question or you need help, just feel free to ask me and enjoy. Holding here in my hand, it's of course piece of ice. This small piece of ice drop off from the one of the iceberg which you can see around you, and all of those icebergs come from the glacier which you can see there. Its name is Breidamaker Jökull. Maybe somebody would like to say it after me. It's like bread, milk, yogurt, but saying faster. Breidamaker Jökull is actually a glacier tongue which belongs to Vatnajökull. Vatnajökull is the biggest glacier in Iceland with the surface around 8,000 square kilometers. It is 10% of the whole country, and it's also the biggest glacier by volume in this area in Europe. It has connection to the ocean, so during the high tide, salty water flow into the lagoon and mix with the fresh water from the glacier. So it is like the 50% of salty water, 50% of fresh water. The temperature right now in the summertime is between 2 and 5 degrees. In the winter time it can be of course colder. Sometimes it's going even below 0 degrees without freezing. But actually every year this lake freezes though. The deepest point of this lagoon is 286 meters, what makes Jökulsárlón the deepest lake in Iceland. Since 2008 this place is part of the Vatnajökull National Park. Before it was also a famous spot for filmmakers. They did here 2 of James Bond movies. The first one, View to Kill. They used even our amphibian boats to make some scans. And the second one, Die Another Day. Have you seen maybe this
Yep.
film? Do you like it?
Yep.
You can also say no if you want, to be honest. What's interesting about this film, they made here some scans. For example, one when they dressed the cool cars on the frozen spot, like Aston Martins and Jaguars. It was made here. And to get this effect of the frozen lake, they separated lagoon from the ocean by build up the sand dam, so salty water couldn't flow inside. It was also winter time, so outside was like minus 10 degrees. They were quite lucky. They need only 2 weeks to get this icy layer on this lake.
Wow, what a beautiful duck and a duckling. This cold water, they are swimming here crazy. That's the Glacier Lagoon is their home. Cold water is on their home. Here is another mother duck with 5 ducklings. They're so cute. What are you doing, buddy? No, I'm not threat. I'm friends. Not a foe. Hello, duckling. Hello, hi. Oh, there's a seal. There's another duck. This is baby.